In this video, I'll show you how you can transfer Ethereum from MetaMask over to Coinbase. This is really easy and I'll show you what you need to do step by step. So here we are on my computer and I've got MetaMask open. Now the first thing you need to do is make sure you're logged into Coinbase. And then once you're on Coinbase, you need to find your Ethereum address. To do that, I will just go to trade and then just go ahead and search for Ethereum. In my case, it's second here, so I don't need to search for it. Then just go ahead and click on Ethereum and then go to wallet. Now we can go to receive and now we can copy our Ethereum address. So here is our Ethereum address, which is unique to us. We can now head over to MetaMask. So if I go ahead and open up MetaMask here, I can then make sure we're in our Ethereum wallet. We can then go to send. I can then paste in our wallet address. You can see that it's detected it. We can now send F and I can choose how much F I want to send. Once I've entered in that amount, I can then click on next, agree to the summary, and my Ethereum will then appear in my Coinbase wallet.